Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's see how to make this awesome peas pulao, which is perfect comfort food and one pot meal for those days when you don't feel like cooking a whole meal. Come on. First, we need to make 2 masala pastes ready. We will rough grind this without water. Keep this aside for a while. Now for the fried masala paste. I have shown this in a few of my earlier videos. You can use red onions also. It's a very simple masala paste with fried onions, dried coconut and garlic. Now for this you can also use dried coconut flakes or slices. Fry until golden and then fry the garlic until golden. You can even make this earlier and keep it in the refrigerator for a week or freeze it and use it as needed. Perfect. We will blend this with very little water to make a thick paste. Keep this aside for a while. Let's move on to the main recipe. I am just frying the spices to release their flavor. Saute the onions until translucent. They will cook further with the rice. Now add both the prepared masala paste that we made earlier. Saute for a minute or so just to mix well. We will flavor this dish with some of the everyday spices. Now give it a good mix. This is washed and drained basmati rice. Mix very lightly, making sure not to break the rice grains. Here I am using frozen peas for this recipe. Just mix again very lightly.
Go ahead and hit the subscribe button for such yummy recipes I post every week.
A cup of nice and thick coconut milk will make a huge difference in the taste. Mix very lightly. Now ghee is for the nice rich flavor to the final dish. Always add hot water. Now we need to mix it and allow it to come to a boil. Now this still needs to boil a bit more. Perfect. Now we will cook on medium flame and half cover the lid for the moisture to reduce. The steam needs to escape. The total cooking time from now on is roughly 10 to 15 minutes. Once the moisture is absorbed, we will close the lid tightly, lower the flame and cook completely. Check for the doneness by pressing the rice grain. If it breaks easily, then it's cooked. Do not overcook or else the rice will get mushy. A final garnish with coriander leaves and fresh grated coconut and we are ready to serve this awesome peas pulao. Serve with coconut milk and papad on the side. Hope you enjoyed this recipe and thanks for watching. I'll see you next week with another amazing recipe. Until then, bye.